Sometimes I'm overwhelmed with everything I feel, 'cause I know how we break so easily. Sometimes I get so scared it all will fall away, and I need to remember just to breathe. I try to let go of the things I don't know. It's so vulnerable, every one of us. Maybe the only thing that matters is love. Maybe love is the medicine we need. This is a prayer for the broken, for those who are afraid. This is a cry for this brave world, so beautiful and strange. It's all so temporary, so temporary, but we are not alone. So hold me like you never let me go. Ooh. When I am here inside the fortress in your arms, you'll repair all the earthquakes in my heart. So hold me steady like the ground beneath my feet, 'cause I know just how fragile we all are. I try to let go like a flower in the snow. It's so vulnerable, every one of us. Maybe the only thing eternal is love. Maybe love is the evidence we need. This is a prayer for the broken, for those who are afraid. This is a prayer for this brave world, so beautiful and strange. It's all so temporary, so temporary, but we are not alone. So hold me like you will never let me go, until the tears splash down, until the storm cries out. Let it out, and all the hurt and pain will wash away. Wash away. This is a prayer